how to post music to Instagram story longer than 15 seconds. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can actually add music to our Instagram story longer than 15 seconds, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the issue here is actually quite simple. If you're trying to upload a music to your Instagram story here, and let's say you tap on the music icon and then you try to search for a certain music, but the limitation is that you can only upload up to 15 seconds. So can you do it without and more than 15 seconds? Well, there is a way, but not from the Instagram app itself. So we won't be using the Instagram music system. Make sure that the music that you want to add is saved on your device first of all. Then after you do that, in this case I'm using an application called InShot. It is a free video editing application. So here we will just select the photo or video that we want to add over here, and after we select the photo or video that we want to add, we will simply go ahead and then actually now add a music manually here by tapping the music option, tapping on the plus music option. Now if you have music on your device, select my music, and here you can see all the music you've downloaded to your device. Now you can simply choose a duration of that music, whichever you want to add, even more than 30 seconds or 50 seconds, and then after that you can simply export that new video with the new music and then only add it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.